Hi Edwina, we're here at the Royal Court of Justice. Could you give us a quick update of what's going on and what can we expect for this court hearing?
Of course. We are returning to the second hearing on the ODA versus People and Persons Unknown. It is no longer People and Persons Unknown. We have 5 named defendants, one of whom is a local resident, 4 of whom are the protesters who were directly involved in direct action on the first day of eviction proceedings. The situation as it stands is that we are hopeful that certain parts of the order will be amended because it's very vague, and at the moment it is clear that it breaches on human right Article 10 and 11, freedom of speech and freedom of assembly. We are also hoping that the wording is reduced and specified so that there isn't a fear of incitement when people are just handing over information which is public record but being made more publicly available by the protest. So that's the first issue. The second issue is that they're still trying to get costs out of us at £335,000 per person, not including court costs or their own personal costs. We're looking at the best part of £1 million they're trying to get out of 5 protesters, which is just ludicrous, let's be honest. And the third issue, which is, to be honest, the most important issue, and it's the issue why we've even got to court in the first place, is a twofold problem. One, there is no exit strategy. There are no remedial works and no detailed plans for how the land will be repaired. And 2, there is no detailed alignment of responsibility and or authority for those who are to repair the land after the 15th of October, when the ODA ceases to be in existence in this country as a public body. So we're going to address the issue of the defendants and the money. We're going to address the issue of the wording of the order and how loose it is and how it terrifies people because it is not specific enough. And we're also going to try and address the issue at hand. Unfortunately, one of the party has a defending counsel. But because we were not awarded legal aid, yesterday at 4:30 p.m. we discovered that we didn't have counsel. So we are hoping that the judge is lenient and human, and he allows us to use the Mackenzie friend technique so that we do actually have rights to audience and actually speak in the courtroom. So we will see what happens. Hopefully the order will be amended, the costs will be dropped, and the actual issue at hand may start to be addressed. Possible outcomes vary depending on what side of the bed the judge got out of and how well everyone behaves in court. Okay. So wish us luck.
Okay, thanks very much.
Because we've noticed voting doesn't change things when the politicians are mostly millionaires. Because we're learning how to stand up like Tunisians, like they did in Tahrir Square.